Hi, it's Kaia from Mortgage Choice Budrum, and I wanted to give you guys a bit of info today about interest-only loans and why you might want to select an interest-only option for your lending. Most of the interest-only loans that we do here are for investors, and I'll get to why a lot of investors choose interest-only loans in a sec. But to explain what they are first, there's two types of ways that you can pay your home loan down or your investment lending down. One is principal and interest, which pays off the principal of your home loan, so your debt goes down, and also pays the interest, which obviously goes to the lender. With an interest-only loan, the only part of your loan that you are paying back is obviously the interest portion. So your loan balance remains the same, and all you're doing is paying the interest that goes back to the lender. Most of our investor clients choose this for a couple of different reasons. The first one is it can be good for tax purposes. Now, I'm not an accountant. I can't give you accounting advice by any means, so we always suggest that you speak with your accountant, but a lot of our investor clients do it. I do it personally for my investment lending as well. So I choose interest only, and clients do as well for their investment lending for tax purposes. And the reason being is that it keeps your investment debt high, so it maximizes your taxability. And the other thing that it does is it keeps your cash flow good because you're not paying the principal, so it reduces your actual monthly repayments down quite significantly as well. So it helps with cash flow, especially in those early years when you might have an investment property where it is negatively geared and you're having to put money in each month. So that's the reasons. Really, it's the taxability, the tax benefits that you can get. And again, speak to your accountant. This is not tax advice by any means, but for tax purposes and also for cash flow as well. Bear in mind that you can only usually opt for a maximum amount of years with an interest-only loan, and the first time that we do an application for you, the max we can apply for is 5 years. Depending on your loan and your situation, we may be able to extend that for another 5 as well. And the last thing to remember as well is once you do come off interest only, so say you've got a 30-year loan term, which is pretty standard, you pay interest only for 5 years or maybe for 10 years if you're an investor. When you come off that interest only period after 5 or 10 years, your repayments then need to be paid over the balance. So say if you've got a 30-year loan term, you've had 5 years interest only, you've got 25 years left of your loan, your repayments will then be, your principal repayments will then be based over 25 years. So it does increase your repayments once you roll off that interest only period. But hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea about why you might want to select an interest only loan and who it's really beneficial for. You can do it as an owner occupied, however, lenders have restricted that a little bit in the last couple of years, but definitely for investment lending, it is by far the loan of choice for our clients and for us as investors here in the office. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you've got any questions. Thanks.